So quick update on carbon fibre nylon prints. Finally, I think I've got a really good setup, because this thing is just unbelievably soft if you compare it to what was printing. This is exactly the same material, just with different print settings. Same with this one, which is even more flexible. And this is what was happening a couple of days ago. Even if it printed, and it was printing beautiful looking prints, it had just lost all its strength. This used to be such an incredibly strong material. And to be fair, it's not bad, but, you know, really, it's not all bad. But this new one looks great. Peeled real easy. And I can barely budge it. Oh. Fantastic stuff.